Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. So let's continue with step 5, which is command signal. So how to do the command signal, we have to refer with our TMD. Okay, so based on TMD, we have to look at the cylinder. So first step is we have to draw a few lines for each operation, which is for A plus, A minus, B plus and B minus. And then the vertical lines for step 1 until step 5. Next, for cylinder A plus, so take a look at our TMD. The cylinder A is start extend at phase 1. So we have to make a circle at step 1. It extend until step 4. So we have to stop there until step 4 and make a dotted line. Next, for A minus, it start from step 4 until step 5 or step 1. So we consider as step 5 is equal to step 1 because the process is continuously happen, or we can consider it as a loop cycle. Next, for B plus, take a look at the TMD. It start at step 2 until step 3. And last one, we have B minus. It start from step 3 until step 2 again. That's it. Good luck.